Okay, so finding opinion and editorial articles is going to be a big component of your fallacies project and something that you'll need to do in extemp research. So here are a couple of tips and tricks to do that. The first thing I would recommend doing is just typing in the word editorial into Google News, which is news.google.com. Uh, and from there, you're going to get a number of opinion-based articles. Um, so for example, you see here a broken wall between church and state. This is going to be a highly opinion-based article where the editors of a newspaper are sharing their opinions or their perspectives about a particular issue. Um, a second really kind of good way to do it is just to look for popular newspapers. And so what I did was in the web search, I typed in popular newspapers and got this list of the top 100 papers in the US. Um, then what I would do is I would go to those specific web pages. So for example, I'm going to go to the New York Times website. New York Times will make you register, but the registration is free, so it's definitely worth it. They just want to collect your information and stuff like that, so feel free to use fake names or whatever. Click on this opinion, and that'll give you all of the opinion articles, give you access to that. Uh, Op-ed is a really, really good thing that you should key in on your research. These are all going to be opinion-based articles about various issues. So once you find something that looks interesting to you, you can use that. Um, Another kind of tip that I can give you right here. What you might do is, so we're going back to our popular newspapers. What you might do is you might look at for example, let's check out Washington Post. I'm not sure about the website, so I'll just Google it. WashingtonPost.com. You see here you can go directly to opinions, and that's what we want. And then what I would do if I was you is I would use this feature right here. It's called the reader. Um, what it does is it allows you to store various things just by clicking add page. And then what you can do is you can go home and have access to all of this stuff offline. So it will save everything here, and then you don't need an internet connection to be able to read the article. So you can really quickly kind of go through and add a bunch of different articles to your to your reader, and then that will allow you to have access to them later. Something else that's kind of interesting that you might be interested in doing, let's say we go here to Kathleen Parker's article. Something that's really, really cool is in some of these instances, if this reader icon is blue, it allows you to look at just the words of it. And in this case, it doesn't allow us to do that, but that's something that you might want to keep an eye on. I hope that this gives you a starting point for where to find opinion and editorial articles.